Hey, it's Walter at IBW Sales.biz. We just added to our online stores the lines of Colonial knife companies automatics, and I like these. They caught my attention because this looks just like the old classic M2, the orange handled jigged M2s. But this is actually the updated version. So if you are scared off by seeing videos of these that say, oh, if you open them the wrong direction, they just flop. These don't do that. These are the updated version. The leaf spring was replaced with a coil or torsion spring, and so they're driven completely open. Now, as always, they have the cord cutter on the back side. And of course, you've all heard the story that the original specs called for this being the automatic, but when the military got the automatic on the long blade, they decided that was so cool they just kept it that way. Now, you see you got a good strong spring on those, and in fact, even if you say you had the bail in the way, no problem, pops it right open. Now, I did find that if you had the bail completely in the way, yeah, it'll give you some issues, but you know, but halfway out, no problem. Now they also updated these. I got the this is the classic M2 version, non-serrated blade, orange handle, and the bail that the military specs called for. They also make these with the serrated blades. There we go. Same knife, bail, all that. And I got in stock several of them with the pocket clips on them. So they substitute a pocket clip for the bail. And these are the 735 series. That was a 724 series, and it has a sheep foot blade on the back side instead of that cord hook. So I kind of liked these because they're kind of starting to remind me of the old professional cattleman's knife that Case and Straight and Uncle Henry all made back when. Now that 735 can also be had. That's a 735. You can also get it with the bail. And you can get it serrated. And that's the selection of those 735s that I have, but those come in any configuration that you want. If you wanted the bail serrated, you know, however you want it. They also serrate that sheep foot if you desired that. So those could be ordered in for you. And then this is a popular one. This is the, they call it the 728 SWAT. And it's the tactical black blade, serrated, and the rescue hook on the back end of it with the black pocket clip, all black hardware. Now also there's a couple of Blackie Collins designs, or at least he designed the blades on these. They were Blackie Collins, both of them are Tanto. This is the Coyote handle, or the Desert, with the tactical blade. And the other one that I have in stock was a plain blade, again Blackie Collins. It's a really nice little working blade, and you see very strong springs on them. Now all these knives are Texas friendly, blades in the neighborhood of 3 inches, and they're available at IBWSales.biz. Thanks for watching.